Hello, teacher. My name is Đức. Today I'm going to talk you about the way from my house to my university. To get from my house to my university, first go straight on Main Street for about 5 minutes. You need to reach a traffic light. Turn right, go to Park Road, and continue straight for another 7 minutes. You will then come to a T junction. Turn left, go up Green Avenue, keep walking straight, and after 5 to 7 minutes, you will see the bus stop on the right. Then take the bus to the nearest stop. My university is outside from it. That's all. Thank you for listening.